In this video, you'll learn how to create a page in WordPress and embed a YouTube video. By following these steps, you will be able to set up a new page on your WordPress site and include multimedia content from YouTube. Begin by navigating to the WordPress website, open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for wordpress.com. Once the page loads, you will see options for signing in or creating a new site. If you are not already logged in, click on the login button located. After logging in, you will be directed to your dashboard. From here, locate and click on the Sites option. This will take you to a list of your existing sites. If you have multiple sites, select the one where you want to create the new page. Click on the site name to access its management interface. Next, find the option labeled Finish Setup. If it appears, this ensures your site is fully configured before creating new content. Once you click Finish Setup, you may need to wait for a moment as the system processes your request. You should receive a confirmation that the setup is complete before proceeding. Once the setup is confirmed, look for the close button and click on it. This action will take you back to the main editing interface of your WordPress site. After that, locate the Add New Page button off in the sidebar at the top of the page editor. Click this to start creating a new page. At this point, you will be prompted to enter the title and content for your new page. Type in what kind of page you would like to create, such as a blog post or a service overview. After typing, wait for the system to generate the page layout. This may take a few moments, indicated by a loading spinner or progress indicator. Next, look for a plus icon, usually found within the page editor. Clicking this icon allows you to add various types of content to your page. After clicking the plus icon, a menu will appear where you can choose different content blocks. Select the option labeled Video to embed a video into your page. After selecting Video, you will see an option to embed URL. Click on this to prepare for pasting your YouTube video link. Now open a new tab in your web browser and go to youtube.com. Search for the video you want to embed and click on it to open the video page. Once the video is playing, look for the Share button located beneath the video. Click it and a pop-up will appear with various sharing options. Select the Copy button to copy the video URL, return to your WordPress page editor and paste the URL into the embed section you accessed earlier. After pasting the URL, click on the Open button to finalize the embedding process. This action will integrate the video into your page. You should see a preview of the video within the page editor, indicating that you have successfully embedded the YouTube video. And there you have it. You have now created a page in WordPress and successfully embedded a video from YouTube. Thanks for watching and see you soon.